Transfer your Dream League Soccer account to another phone. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily transfer your DLS account to another phone. Before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you get here, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the top left corner right here. So once you tap on it and get to your settings, you just have to find the advanced section. You have different tabs at the bottom like game, display settings, audio settings, controls, and then your advanced settings. So, once you get to the advanced settings, under the profile section, you have an option that says manage devices. Tap on it and it will show you all of the connected devices to your account. And if you want to generate a code and link it to another device, tap on generate code first and it will generate a code right here. And you just have to copy this to clipboard and then go to your other device, log into your account, and then tap on the settings icon, then tap on link profile right here, and then paste the code that you have just copied. And once you paste it, you can just tap on link profile, and this profile will be linked to another device. So that is how you easily link profile on your DLS account. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.